John Traynor, Vice President and General Manager of Products and Solutions for TensorIoT. Joins us today for the 2-minute drill. Welcome, John.
Hey, great to be here, Chip. Thanks for having me.
Oh, it's wonderful to have you. I know today you want to talk to us about smart insights, something that Tensor has developed that is absolutely exciting. So I'd love to have you share that and just a little information on TensorIoT, and then dive deeper into smart insights.
Yeah, happy to do that. TensorIoT is an AWS Advanced Consulting Partner and an ISV. We've got multiple competencies, most importantly for smart insights, really focused on industrial software and IoT and machine learning, and really helping customers through smart insights ingest data and really understand and visualize and see what's going on in their industrial, manufacturing, or other environment like that, and then apply machine learning to things like anomaly detection and so on. So yeah, why don't I share a screen and just and hop right in. So here we are on the home screen. So I'm going to sign in to Smart Insights, and like all our solutions, this is actually deployed in the customer's own AWS instance. So even though this is manufacturing and other data, customers still control and own their data. You can get a global view here. We can see all of the different locations we have data. We can see at the top the number of sites here, the number of asset models we have, which is hooked into AWS's IoT SiteWise, and the number of assets. And so I can click on, say, this location in the Midwest, an auto parts plant, hop into that real quickly get a site map that shows me the layout of the plant and all the assets. So this could be a picture, it could be an image. There's lots of different ways to represent that. I can hover over things and see what assets they are. Click on an asset really quick and jump in. And so see, for example, the CNC machine, see all of the information we're ingesting through, green grass running on the edge at the location through IoT SiteWise. All of the properties, the most recent values for those. We've added things like, we can do 3D models or other visualizations of equipment. And then we can start to, chart that information out. So we can, look at the data that we're actually able to get. We can kind of hover over the chart and see exactly what the values are live in real time. We can zoom in on part of that. And we can also hook into other AWS services like Lookout for Equipment. So you can have a view that shows you, let me zoom out a little bit so that we can sort of see whether or not there's been any anomalies detected in this. And here we go. So, in this area here, we've got an anomaly based on the readings that we have. So we can apply machine learning, and then that could fire off into predictive maintenance or ticketing or other types of systems as well. And then we can do any other number of visualizations using tools like QuickSight or Elasticsearch with Kibana. So again, we can see, a gauge, if that's the most appropriate way for a production person to see a volume. We can show, a threshold here, and we can see, production values against that. We can see, true or false things like, is a door open or not? And then again, I can drag across a range and zoom right in, get down to, individual data points if I want to select a really, really small area and see exactly what those values are. So that can be tied into, automatic calculations, engagement with other things. And then of course, for all those gateways, I can see where they are in each of the plants, look at that and get the health of the gateway and all of the others. So both for the business operations folks and the IT folks, there's really something for everybody in understanding what's going on in the operations and being able to visualize that through Smart Insights.
Love it. That is fantastic. Thank you for sharing that with us. And what we'll do at the end of the video in the description is put the contact info in there for people to get in touch with you and learn more about Smart Insights. So John, thank you so much for joining us. That was truly an inspiring overview of Smart Insights. So thank you.
Great. Thanks very much, Chip.
Bye-bye.